Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace Infiniti QX60 windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your Infiniti QX60 is parked safely with the ignition off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook on the wiper arm. It should detach quite easily. Remember to hold the wiper arm firmly throughout this step to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both blades are attached, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield surface. Don't forget to repeat these exact steps for the passenger side wiper blade as well. Once both new blades are installed, test them by using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your Infiniti QX60 wiper blades every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.